Hi, this is Yulia and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to stay productive and efficient while working from home. I know it's not an easy time for all of us. Some people have never worked from home, so I decided to make this video and share my tips and tricks how to stay productive while staying and working from home. I used to work from home a few years ago and I absolutely hated it because I just couldn't stand it. I'm an organized person, but working from home made me sick. If I saw some dust on my floor or like cat fur or something else, I would literally stand up and go clean. I just couldn't make it, you know? It was so disturbing, especially when you live in a studio where you literally live, work, sleep in the same place. It was horrible. But recently I figured out some things that work for me, that help me stay organized, that help me work efficiently from home, and today I'm sharing that with you. First things first, make your bed. This is very important because when you make your bed, you don't have an excuse to come back and lay down and like work from your bed and stuff like that. When we work from the office, we don't usually have time to make bed. I know it's just like an excuse, but still, people are just like, oh, I need to commute to the office, stuff like that. Okay, sounds reasonable. I used to be like that too. But now when I get up, first thing I do in the morning, make my bed so I do not come back. Just don't. No more bed for me. Tip number 2, take off your PJs and put on some office clothes. This will definitely help you set the mood, because when you're working in your PJs, in your kitchen, you're like, oh, I'm just like working from home kind of vibe, you know, chilling and stuff. But when you're working in your regular clothes, you're feeling like you're actually working, but not in the office for some reason.
Makes sense.
Thing number 3 is that your morning routine sets the whole mood for the day. As for me, I would never have breakfast because I don't have time, I don't want to cook in the morning. But now when I'm working from home, I get up at the same time, but I don't spend 15-20 minutes walking to the office, so I have this extra time for myself. I can make breakfast, brew some tea, just enjoy my morning. While eating my breakfast, I can also take a look at my emails, maybe some work stuff, so I'm kind of like getting into this work mood.
Who's ready to work?
Tip number 4 is plan your day, make to-do lists. I feel like this helps a lot with organizing when you have lists of things you need to do. I would normally have 2 types of lists. First is global, it's like monthly, maybe yearly, if you have huge clients, huge projects. And another one is daily, so I set tiny goals for my day, saying I need to write a script for my video, I need to film a video, I need to upload a video. So it's kind of like step-by-step guide for myself, saying you need to do this, this and that, and it feels nice to, you know, tick these things off my list.
Yeah! All right!
Tip number 5 is to create a dedicated workspace. I know how hard it is to work from home because you have so many things around, like couch or like your bed, but just find one space that you're gonna associate with work. For me, it's my kitchen table. I cleaned it out. I took off all the things that are kitchen related, all the foods, condiments, all this kind of stuff. Now it's just a table with my laptop, my phone, my iPad, and just the essentials for my work. That's it. No unnecessary stuff. And I keep it tidy all the time. When I finished working, I just take my laptop, I bring it to another room. The kitchen table is back to being kitchen table, not my work desk.
Dinner is served.
The next tip is take breaks as you normally do in the office. If you want to make some tea, chit chat with a colleague, or maybe work out during your lunch break, just feel free to do so. I mean, you're still working, you're still doing your thing. Just take breaks as you normally would in the office. You can call your friends, you can call your parents, instead of chatting with your colleagues, or you can actually FaceTime your colleagues and being like, yo, what are you working on? So just don't forget to take breaks.
Take a break, guys!
The next thing is kind of related to what I've just said, is do not put too much pressure on yourself. I know we all want to finish a lot of stuff faster and do more things, but don't be too hard on yourself. I mean, work is work, but you need to keep this work and life balance. When I first started working from home, I will be like literally on my phone, on my computer all the time. I'll have a break to make dinner and then I'll go back to working, doing my own thing. And it was horrible, honestly. I didn't have any time for myself. I didn't have time to read books, to watch Netflix. I'll be literally working all the time. Don't do that. Just set your hours. Be like, I'm working from 9 to 5, done.
I'm working.
The next thing is to set boundaries. If you're working from home with a partner or with a roommate, it is crucial to let these people know that you have work to do. Tell them not to disturb you with some random stuff or random questions. Just tell them if you need something, message me, and when I have time, when I have a break, I'll just get back to you. Don't play with your cat, with your dog. I know it's so hard to focus when you have your pet playing with you, I don't know, feet, stuff like that, but just try to be super concentrated.
Very good, keep your concentration.
And last but not least is celebrate your accomplishments. You need to tell yourself you were super productive today, so you deserve a glass of wine or maybe a bubble bath or something like that. Celebrate even the small things. For me, it's super motivating to see what I've done, what I've accomplished. It makes me want to work even harder than I did before.
I work hard and I'm smart.
And that's it for now. Hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments how you are staying productive and what was the most challenging for you when you started working from home. And I'll see you soon. Bye!